Today, we're diving into an exciting innovation in DeFi with instant yield. Earning yield on digital assets has often been slow and inefficient until now. This breakthrough changes how you earn rewards on your tokens, and we're here to explain every detail. Traditionally, earning yield meant waiting while your rewards slowly accrue, but with Pryzm's instant yield, your future earnings are available today. That's the power of instant yield. Pryzm lets you trade your future earnings for immediate value, giving you flexibility to seize better opportunities today. Whether you're depositing, withdrawing, or swapping assets, this real-time calculation ensures that your rewards aren't delayed because every action on the platform instantly contributes to your earnings. So how does this work? Head to app.pryzm.zone and connect your wallet. Head to the Points Market tab, and here you'll find instant yield. Click it. This is your hub for swapping future yield for instant rewards with principal protected notes. Receive upfront rewards, harness principal protection, and discover liquidity anytime to trade your discount tokens at any moment using swap, post-trade, or flow trade. On the instant yield page, you'll find a range of tokens to choose and swap for instant yield. Choose from Atom, Injective, Osmo, Luna, Celestia, and more. Click the asset you want to use. In this example, we'll use Atom, and you'll see 3 variants of P Atom with different maturity dates. The longer the maturity date, the higher the photon rewards on op-drop tokens you'll receive per token swapped. Adjust the slider located next to the search bar to filter which maturity date ranges you'll see. On the right, you'll find each P Atom token with their maturity dates. Click the one you wish to use. Discover how many photons and op-drop tokens you'll receive after swapping future yield by looking at the interface below. In this example, we'll use P Atom with the maturity on December the 31st, 2025 by clicking the checkbox, which gives us approximately 130,000 photons and 130 op-drop tokens. The settings icon on the right of the swap button lets you adjust your slippage. Once you're ready to swap, click the swap button and sign the transaction in your wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully swapped future yield for instant rewards. To view your recent trade, head to the My Trades tab and discover how many photons and op-drop tokens you received. This offers several key benefits that make it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced DeFi users, like immediate access to capital, so no more waiting periods, getting your value up front, opportunity capture, to take advantage of market opportunities that won't wait for your traditional yield to accrue slowly, principal protection, ensuring your original investment amount is secured through the principal tokens, only spending your future yield on exciting opportunities. Your principal investment is redeemable at maturity via P tokens. In this example, P Atom. There's even no liquidation risk because unlike leveraged positions which can be liquidated if markets move against you, instant yield offers a form of leverage without the liquidation risk that typically accompanies it. Got questions? We're here to answer. How are instant yield rewards calculated? Are they based on maturity, on-chain yield, or USD amount? Well, instant yield rewards are calculated based on the current USD market price of the principal tokens. The greater the discount of the principal token relative to its face value, the more photons you'll receive. How long will instant yield be available? And will the current rate remain the same? Instant yield is currently available for earning Pryzm photons, but its availability and rates may change over time. The goal is for many projects and protocols to adopt instant yield, giving the broader community access to opportunities typically reserved for private investors. Both the program's duration and photon rate are subject to future adjustments. Why does instant yield offer significantly more photons per dollar compared to super staking? With instant yield, you exchange all your future yield up front and take advantage of immediate market opportunities, which involves higher risk. Super staking allows you to gradually swap your yield, providing a more stable approach. The higher photon reward in instant yield compensates for the increased risk and immediacy. Experience instant yield today by visiting app.pryzm.zone/instant yield and see your rewards grow immediately. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.